Hi, Bobby. What you eating? What is it? Tell Mommy what it is. You say peas?
Papa?
Bobby? Hey, Bobby. No hitting. Come on.
Oh.
You like your peas? You say good? And they're gone. Yum, yum, yum. Do you want some more? Or you want something else? You want some bread? Or some milk?
No.
Milk? Do you know where the milk is?
Mom?
Milk? You want to go show me where the milk is? That way? Go show me. Go show Mommy where the milk is. Where's the milk?
Mom?
Milk? I don't have it. It's in the refrigerator. Come on, Bobby. Go get it. It's not under there. It's not under there. No, it's not there. It's in the refrigerator. In the kitchen? Go to the kitchen. No. Is it under there? No. Nope. No milk under there. It's in the kitchen. That way. Go get it. The bottle's in the kitchen too. Show me where it is. Where is it? The bottle? It's in the refrigerator. No, it's not there. Where's the refrigerator? You show Mommy where the milk is? Oh, okay. Come on. Baba. Look.
Mama?
What, milk? More milk?
Mama?
More milk?
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Where's the milk? Where?
Mama?
That's right. There it is. Okay, I'll get you some, but you have to say goodbye.
Papa?
Bye-bye.